Investigations have shown that music has many effects on the human body. One study demonstrated that music can change pulse rate, circulation, and blood pressure. Depending on the type of music played, there can be an increase or decrease in metabolism, internal secretions related to metabolic change, muscular energy, and respiration rate. One study showed specifically that soothing music decreases oxygen consumption and vessel metabolic rate, while exciting music increases both. Widespread effects in the body have been demonstrated by another study which showed that different types of music have different effects on gastric motility, electrical conductivity of the skin, pupillary dilation, and muscle contractions. Music has been utilized specifically as a treatment. A large number of studies have revealed that music can help alleviate acute pain. In fact, music has decreased the need for pain medication and sedatives as much as 30%. Music in Maharshi Ayurveda. These recent investigations help explain music of different types play a central role in Maharshi Ayurveda. First, the external vibrations produced by music in the environment almost certainly alter inner vibrations at the molecular level. Second, the melodic and rhythmic structure of music is yet another experience to be metabolized through the limbic system, transforming it into a waterfall of neurochemicals and hormones that regenerate the body. Research studies have shown that different types of music have different effects, and masters of Ayurvedic tradition with sensibilities refined by years of meditations have conducted a thorough study of these effects of sound on consciousness. The result is varied pharmacopoeia of music and other uses of sound. Gandharva Ved. The best known of these is Gandharva Ved, the traditional classical music of India. Gandharva Ved originated thousands of years ago, and even today its basic principles underline the long and beautiful improvisations by its master musicians. The doshas can be aggravated or balanced by varying melodies and rhythms. Gandharva Ved is precisely calculated to have a positive effect on dosha balance. In fact, the classical Ayurvedic text lists precise times of the day for the playing of different ragas or melodies. One raga helps create energy and dynamism for activity during the day, another creates restfulness after the evening meal. The music that is right at dawn doesn't have an ideal effect at noon or midnight. Maharshi Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of these natural cycles of the day and also the cycle of the seasons. Listening to Maharshi Gandharva Ved at the right times of the day can smooth the natural transitions and allow the body and mind to function effortlessly, in tune with the 24-hour cycle of natural law. Specific Gandharva Ved ragas are also prescribed in Maharshi Ayurveda to balance specific doshas. Maharshi Gandharva Ved can even be played in a home when no one is there to listen. According to the traditional explanations, the music can have an enlivening and balancing influence within the home even without an audience. Gandharva Ved is considered a powerful tool for the creation of harmony and peacefulness, and it can be used to create this atmosphere in the home.